Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the transparent rectangle box that sometimes appears above the taskbar in Windows 11. Whether you're noticing this strange visual glitch after installing new software, or you simply want your desktop to look clean and run smoothly, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Task Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Task Manager. Once it's open, scroll down to find Windows Explorer in the list of processes, right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh your desktop and taskbar, and often this simple step can resolve display glitches immediately. Next, make sure your Windows 11 is fully up to date. Press Windows +I to open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Check for updates. Installing any pending updates and restarting your computer can fix bugs and glitches that might be causing the transparent box to appear. To further troubleshoot, right-click on an empty space on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Here, try toggling options like automatically hide the taskbar or use small taskbar buttons. Adjusting these settings can sometimes reset visual glitches and remove the transparent rectangle. If the issue persists, consider any recently installed apps that might interact with the taskbar. Try disabling or uninstalling these third-party programs to see if that resolves the problem. Finally, you can run a system file check to repair any corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, type sfc scannow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete, and it will automatically fix any detected system issues. After completing these steps, the transparent rectangle box above your taskbar should be gone, and your Windows 11 desktop will look normal again. It's also a good idea to keep your system updated and occasionally check for visual glitches to prevent future issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the transparent box issue without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?